This is a nanoparticle. And did you know this tiny particle can save lives?
Have you ever gotten a headache where no matter how much you try, you can't get rid of it?
When you think about it, at this point, you can only guess what your body needs without knowing what's happening inside your body.
But what if there was a way where a doctor can go inside your bloodstream to figure out what exactly is causing that headache?
I mean, wouldn't it be really cool to literally shrink yourself and explore the insides of the human body? But let's be real, that's not possible yet. But something that's very, very tiny can do the job.
Yep, you guessed it. It's nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is all around us. It is in the sunscreen we use, TV screens, tennis rackets, and the list goes on. Well, you might be thinking, what makes this small particle so unique? Well, it's the size. For something to be a nanomaterial, it has to be smaller than 100 nanometers.
At this small scale, nanoparticles express very unique properties because as particles get smaller, their surface area to volume ratio increases. This results in a quantum effect, which begins to dominate the behavior of matter at a nanoscale, affecting the optical, electrical, and magnetic behavior of matter.
Let's take copper for instance. Bulk copper at 50 nanometers is soft and bendable, while copper nanoparticles are hard to bend.
So how do these properties of nanotechnology help us treat diseases like cancer? Well, the problem in treatments we have right now for cancer is drug delivery. Let's look at it this way.
Imagine the cancer cells as fire in your body and the cancer treatment as the firemen. When these firemen get into your body, they realize that they're not given a map to locate where the cancer cells are. This is why over 99% of cancer drugs don't reach the tumor.
But if we use nanobots, they can serve multiple different purposes.
When these nanobots enter the bloodstream, they have a fire truck, they carry a map, and they know exactly where to go. And because of their large surface area, they have more direct contact with their surroundings. As a result, the nanobots can carry the drug inside the cancer cell and kill those cells.
While nanotechnology is still being developed to decrease its negative effects, fields like medicine can be revolutionized with the introduction of this technology, and a whole world of innovation will be unlocked.